Hi, this is Litre Toyota Parts Plus. Today we have a 2006 Toyota RAV4 stock number 6449. This ran from 11/2005 to 11/2012. It has a 2AZFE 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by 5-speed manual transmission. This is a 2AZFE 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front guard no damage. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mag flat tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door 2 dents. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Right front door 2 dents. Right front door mirror. Right front guard no dents. Right front 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Right front door guard. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Manual gear stick. Heater AC controls. Aftermarket touchscreen stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy lock sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.